Hi guys, today we're going to fix a Whirlpool Roper RTW 461BQ1. Serial number as follows. Alright, you're simply going to go to the back. You're going to pop the screw here, pull your cover, which is one screw there, one here, and one here. These might not all be necessary, but once you get this piece to slide, you'll be able to maneuver and get the top to come up. And once the top comes up, you're going to come in here and buy these springs. Ace Hardware SP9605 handyman spring. Bend them, place them on your rod here. Take your top ring off, which is right there. Take the top ring off. Install one here, one on the back corner, one there, and one in each corner. Snap it back on, reassemble. Should spin without banging. Thanks.